If you mix castor oil with baking soda, this is what happens. There are so many health benefits to castor oil, and one of the most effective ways to use it is by mixing it with baking soda, because this mixture can help you in so many ways. The combination of these two ingredients creates an extremely powerful remedy that you need to have on hand at all times. And after watching this video, you will see why. So stay with me till the end. I'm a doctor, and in today's video, we'll be exploring the incredible benefits of mixing castor oil with baking soda. But before we continue, please take the time to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our life-changing content. Your support means everything to us, and we appreciate each and every one of you. Now, let's get back to the video. When you mix castor oil with baking soda, you create a unique substance that can do wonders for your body. The reason for this is that both ingredients have their own individual properties and benefits. Castor oil is a vegetable oil extracted from the seeds of the castor oil plant. It has been used for centuries for its various health benefits, including its ability to promote hair growth, improve digestion, and reduce inflammation. The main active component in castor oil is called ricinoleic acid. This fatty acid has been shown to have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antifungal properties. These properties make castor oil an effective treatment for a variety of skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Castor oil also stimulates blood circulation, which can help nourish the hair follicles and promote hair growth. Additionally, it is a natural emollient, which means that it can help moisturize and soften the skin. Castor oil is also known for its laxative effect, which can be helpful for those who are experiencing constipation. On the other hand, baking soda is a common household item that is often used as a leavening agent in baking. It is a mixture of sodium bicarbonate and sodium carbonate. The alkaline substance can help neutralize stomach acid and relieve symptoms of indigestion and heartburn. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the digestive tract and promote healthy digestion. Moreover, it is a good source of essential minerals such as sodium and potassium. When these two ingredients are combined, they create a powerful mixture that can be used to treat a variety of ailments. One of the most popular uses for this mixture is as a paste to treat acne. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil combined with the exfoliating properties of baking soda can help reduce redness and swelling of pimples and speed up their healing process. To use it, simply mix a small amount of castor oil with a little bit of baking soda to form a paste. Apply it to the affected area and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. You may also use this mixture as a detox bath soak to help draw out toxins from your body. The mixture can be added to a warm bath, and then the person suffering from the condition can soak in it for 20 to 30 minutes. This can help to alleviate symptoms of various skin conditions, such as eczema, psoriasis, and acne. Additionally, it can help to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Another way to use this mixture is as a scrub to exfoliate the skin and remove dead skin cells. The baking soda in the mixture can help to gently exfoliate the skin, while the castor oil can help to moisturize and nourish it. To use it, mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a few drops of castor oil and then rub it gently on the affected area in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly afterwards. You can also use this mixture topically to treat minor cuts, bruises, and scrapes. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil can help reduce swelling and redness, while the baking soda can help clean the wound and prevent infection. To use it, mix a small amount of castor oil with a little bit of baking soda to form a paste. Apply it to the affected area and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. It is important to note that when using this mixture, it should always be done with caution and in small amounts. Excessive use or improper application can lead to adverse effects, such as skin irritation or allergic reactions. It is also important to consult with a healthcare professional before using this mixture, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions or are taking any medications. In addition to the topical uses mentioned earlier, mixing castor oil with baking soda can also be beneficial internally. One of the ways to do this is by consuming a glass of castor oil and baking soda drink. To make this drink, simply mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a few drops of castor oil in a glass of water. Drink it on an empty stomach to aid digestion and reduce symptoms of indigestion. It is important to note that when consuming this mixture internally, it should be done in moderation and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Consuming large amounts of baking soda can lead to an imbalance of electrolytes in the body, which can cause various health problems. Another way to consume this mixture is by adding it to smoothies. Smoothies are a great way to get essential nutrients into the body, and adding a tablespoon of baking soda and a few drops of castor oil to a smoothie can help boost its health benefits. For example, a smoothie made with bananas, spinach, and almond milk can be a great source of potassium, magnesium, and calcium. The addition of baking soda and castor oil can help improve digestion and reduce inflammation. Furthermore, this mixture can also be used as an ingredient in homemade face masks. A face mask made with baking soda and castor oil can help to cleanse and exfoliate the skin, leaving it looking brighter and more radiant. To make this face mask, mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a few drops of castor oil and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Finally, mixing castor oil with baking soda can also be helpful for those who want to maintain healthy hair. A treatment made with these two ingredients can help to stimulate the scalp and promote hair growth. To make this treatment, mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a few tablespoons of castor oil and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. It is important to note that when using castor oil and baking soda for hair, it should be done with caution. Excessive use or improper application can lead to adverse effects, such as dandruff or dry scalp. Additionally, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional or a dermatologist before using this mixture, especially if you have any underlying scalp conditions or are using any hair treatments. The combination of castor oil and baking soda creates a powerful mixture that can be used in many ways to improve overall health and well-being. From treating acne to aiding digestion, this mixture has numerous benefits. However, it is important to use it with caution and in moderation. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. We would greatly appreciate your support and look forward to providing you with more helpful content in the future. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy.